Yeah, on the 25th, 15 miles per hour on a scooter. Is that sign bike route have a mile per hour on it? Well, how about the floor beside the bicycle that they just put? Are there any scooters or miles per hour? How about the companies that sold the scooters? Did they get with you telling you we got a governor firmware that we could lower down the speed? Going 20 miles per hour is fast, and you really feel fast doing that. But there are other ones that go a lot faster. 15, I could deal with. No problem. Maybe I'll contact the company and say, hey, could you do me a favor, default my scooter to 15, then to have it on 19? I only do 9. But that speed camera's gonna capture me doing 15 now. It's something you could talk about and make videos on. Something new. Yeah, man, I go on TikTok and I watch this guy go, out of the bike lane. You're blocking the bike lane. Nobody's blocking my bike lane. It's nice and quiet. There was a car, Amazon, that did block the road that could have pulled to the side. I should go back and film it. Hey, I'm Fish. No microphone today, and I'm not sure if I'm on stereo voice enhancement or wind noise reduction. I do got, some other videos, vlog on here I gotta get done. Hey! I hear sirens all the day, traffic going down all the time. Yeah, I gotta get the vlogs going, get the one on here, and I gotta go do a how-to, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna name it, get it done, and that'll be aired soon. I am heading towards the bike path. You should have filmed the turn and all, and see where you go, and then cut the video. Yeah, Prime Day came and went, Italian Heritage Day went, and no sales on the Go Ultra. DJI Nano, December 1st. These cameras are hot, hot, hot. That song's playing in my head right now. Oh yeah. I did a shot, and I hope I put it on the video, the install and all, and I used the neck mount. That was good enough for me. I think everything's on the computer waiting for the edit for that, and I did last night the filming, and yeah, that's why I just don't recall. We call Ghostbusters, but these lights gotta get fixed. Who do you really call? Or chat to? Faintly in my eyes by the boat there's like what I see through the camera, and yeah, we're gonna have a nor'easter. It's coming in, the winds and the rain, the storm, because it's fall to winter. Yes, indeed. No snow yet. Just call it a storm. That's what they are. But we have to put a name always behind it. And the weathermen are never right. He's going swimming to the beach. He does it every day. I feel like I'm early, so I'm gonna go on down and I'll be late, but I'm not gonna get the sunrise today. While it's still dark, maybe it's still lit up, I head on down the wrong block to go get the shot. How many more years before this is really built? It's lit up, so let me turn you around and show you what I see. As I rotate the camera around with my thumb on the thumb bolt. And there we go. It's right along. One house is decorated, but not as nice as the other. And the lights are going, the lantern's on, and here we are, blocked by a van. Oh yeah, check him out. He's lit. Headless Horseman. The skeleton with electronic eyeballs blinking at you. Time to take a picture. Really is. So let me stop, get a photo. Really can't take a good photo here. Just need to have some lights on the skeletons. But they did a nice job. Maybe I could get a photo right here for you. Alright. Get on into the shore, to the beach, and see what the show looks like. Well, we got lights in Heightstown. And we got some lights towards the right. But that's about it. You see a red light flicker and a green light and another red light. The buoys by Breezy Point. Yeah, I'm on a water bottle fill-up station. Got a light behind it. Lights up the area pretty nice. You can see my shadow, my hand and all. And by now you guessed that I'm using the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I'm not yelling at the camera. The thing that we don't have is a internal mic gain bar. Imagine we had that bar, you see your voice go up and down as it starts to go a little lower and lower because you're far away, then you know you would need a mic. And you could do a different color. And that'd be something interesting that these cameras could have. But having all these bells and whistles and extra features and functions is not what the people want. They want a working camera. And the Ace Pro 2 happens to be a working camera. And I'm yelling nice and loud to the camera, talking nice and loud to the 2 or 3 microphones that the camera has. And yeah, I'll get back to the editor, do my video editing. And thing is, like I said in my last vlog, I now have to go make a new intro, go find my old video and get it going. If I wave my hand and say high five, it's over. I'm not on voice command, I'm on hand gesture. I could take a picture. It sees the hand, but it's blinking a little green light, and it's not doing a picture. Why? Maybe it needs to be a little closer. I'm not worried. Probably broke the camera with my beautiful mug. Well, on that note, I'm watching a plane come in. It's starting to get light. Nice cold day. Yes, indeed. It's cold enough that I am wearing, you got it, a hat. This way my head could be warm. Well, I am Fish. It's been a pleasure. And we'll see you on the next upcoming video vlog. I gotta take care of Bizwax, go meet up with Joe, and get things going. Projects are always running, and things are always going. And on that note, high five out of here.